Alright everybody, today we're going to be installing a garage door opener in this house. As you can see, there's one over here on the other door. Single car door. But on the other side, there's not one. So also, we're going to have to install an outlet in the ceiling as well, because the opener is going to be right about there, actually right there. And then the outlet is going to be right around here somewhere. And then we're going to get power from this junction box right here that I just took the cover off of. And here's the new garage door opener right here. This Genie, just like the other one. Use an impact to tighten this up right here. Now, as you can see, the opener has been mounted securely, not going anywhere. And you see the cord hanging down right here. Now I'm in the process of installing an outlet. I've already mounted the box because here you can use what they call Romex cable. You don't have to put the wire in conduit. So then I've already drilled a hole right there where the wire is going to come through, and then I'm getting power from this box right here. So then we'll be testing it out shortly, and you'll see how it works. We're going to use this arm here to attach the opener to the actual door. Ain't that right? And we just installed the outlet here in close proximity to the garage door opener. As you can see, we obtained power from the junction box here. And of course, right now the power is cut off. We already verified which wires are the hot and neutral wires. And then we cut the power off at the junction. We cut the power off at the breaker. Now we're going to restore it in a minute. And you see the opener right here? See, the opener is attached to the door. And it's perfectly aligned. You see, it closes with no issues. And it opens with no issues. Because of course, you would not expect anything less from Rare Auto Accessories. So now you know, when you want it done make the call. It's just that simple. 708-821-3526. Follow us, like us, subscribe to us, call us, and refer us. Until the next time.